this is about our time in college din. College pa yun nung nasulat yung ibang songs that we still play today. Like, OJT ako nung nasulat yung Katang Isip.
Wow.
As in, meron kasi akong niligawan. Tapos parang hindi siya nag-turn out well. Which eventually the story became the song. Tapos, nung pauwi ako galing sa kanila, nasa jeep ako nun. Tapos, umiyak ako ganyan. Tapos pag-uwi ko, the song came out.
Hindi, may sinabi ka nun eh. Sabi mo, someday, tutugtugin yung kantang to sa 7-Eleven doon sa may bahay nila.
So actually, parang even up until medyo nag-start na yung Ben and Ben, personally, yung pangarap ko lang is yung song na yun, yung Katang Isip, ma-play yung song na yun doon sa may 7-Eleven sa kanila.